All right, here is the first attempt at the mill cabinet. Drawers below, these would be doors, but they wouldn't have a frame around them. They're just solid glass doors like this. Glass door, that's the hinge. That's the hinge, just a clear 1/4 inch thick glass. Here are the doors there. One thing to consider, this is the inside opening. I want to make sure this is going to fit properly. Inside opening in the cabinet. When the doors open, you're going to lose about 1 inch of width. These glass shelves, 1, 2, are adjustable. We've got plenty of height here, and then the depth of the cabinet is shown here. The back of the cabinet chews up about 7/8, so you'll have about 23 inches of depth from behind the door to the back of the cabinet. That's your height, that's your width. Doors, overall cabinet width is here 34, a couple inches off the corner of that wall. It's 6 inches down from the ceiling because there's a light fixture that comes up there. And the inside of this would be the color that was chosen, the matte tan color. And again, these doors would not have frames. Let me know what you think. Thank you.